Hello everyone, welcome to the third video of our autofill and a flash fill series. In this video, we will understand the flash fill. So let me just move forward to the file which we have created. This is a file which we have already been using for last two videos. In this video, we will understand the auto flash fill basically. So we first of all, before understanding the flash fill, we need to understand what is the difference between autofill and a flash fill. Let me just write this way: autofill and a flash fill, right? So these two are like these two methods or techniques like works in a similar way, right? Their method is same, the technique is same, but there are some difference. There is some difference which we need to understand. So basically, autofill works alone and with a data set, right? So works alone or with a data set too, right? That we need to understand. Work alone or with a data set too. So it works both ways, right? Autofill can be used alone or with a data set, right? But flash fill only works with a data set, only works with a data set. That is the only difference between these two systems, right? Autofill and flash fill, right? So it only works with a data set. It will not work if you are not, executing flash fill on a data set. It will not work. Flash fill will not work actually. But autofill can be worked alone or with a data set as we used in our last video. Suppose because here we use the autofill. So where if you want to create a number of series, you can also do that alone. You don't need to have a data set, right? But whenever you're using flash fill, so you need to have a data set. So what Excel will do? So the pattern which will create on a data set, right, on the record which is available in your data set, and Excel will detect that pattern and give you the result. So let's try the flash fill. So in this particular example, we will create, so we need some data. So this is the data which we are going to take. So suppose we have some employees data. So I'll just take the name of the employee and just bring this data in this particular worksheet, which is a flash fill worksheet. So now as flash fill works with a data set, we have already got a data set of data basically. So now what do we need? So suppose you are asked to uh, you know uh, segregate the first name and the last name of the employee. In this particular data set, we have the name of the employees where we have the first name and the last name. But you are asked to segregate, basically separate the first name and the last name, right? How will you do that? Either you will type it this way, Anuj, and then Mahajan, right? So if you are working with the larger data set, so it will be really difficult for you to do that. So in that case, Flash will come, right, to help us. So what you need to do? This is our data set. What you need to do? You just put Anuj, right, which is your first name first, and drag this to the down till the last record of the data set. What we are getting? We are just getting the Anuj, right? Now here comes the magic. So you need to click on this autofill option. When you click on this, just click on this option which is a flash fill, right? So once you click on this flash fill, see what happens. See what we have got. We have got all the first names from this particular data set, right? And now what do we need? We need the last name. So you just need to provide only one example, basically one pattern, and Excel will detect that pattern and give you the result. So here we need the last name, which is Mahajan. So now what you need to do again, just drag this to the down till the last record, and you by using this autofill option, just click on this flash fill, right, and you get the result. So this is the magic of auto flash fill basically. So there, suppose now in your records you only have the first name and the last name, and you are asked to merge the first name and the last name. How will you do that? Suppose we don't have this now. We only have the first name and the last name, and you're asked to merge the first and the last name. How will you do that? It's very simple again. So we're just creating it again. So Anuj, give, so you need to, at least you need to give a pattern, initial pattern basically to Excel to detect. Anuj Mahajan. We have created a pattern. Now just drag this to the down, right? So we are getting the same result, but you need to just click on this autofill option and click on this flash fill. See, we get the same result back, right? So this is the magic of flash fill basically. There's a one more thing. I just need to tell you the shortcut also, right? So now let's create first and last name once again. So I'm removing the first and last name. So we just need the first and last name once again. So what we'll do, we'll just put the Anuj. So now what you'll do, you need to just select the range, right? Up to the last record. Select the range. You don't need to drag it to the down. Select it. And from your keyboard, you need to press the Control plus E. Right, guys? What you need to do, you need to press the Control and the E button from the keyboard. See, I've just pressed the Control and E button. What we got? We got our all results, right? Now let's select this last name also, and sorry, first we need to provide the first pattern, initial pattern, Mahajan, right? Select the range. What you need to do, just press the Control E button from the keyboard, Control and E button. So once you press the Control E button, you get your result. So this is how you can use the flash fill basically. So this is really going to help you a lot whenever you are working with a larger data set. So you don't need to just type your data, enter your data once again. You just need to uh, just use the flash fill option, right? Okay, guys. I hope you have understood this. So we have covered the autofill and the flash fill topic. So we will cover the next topic in our next video. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.